Next source of the Muhammadan law is the Fatwas. Fatwas means the opinions. Muslims believe that a fatwa carries a more weight than a random opinion of any person. Muslim scholars are expected to give their fatwas based on the religious scripture and not on their personal opinions. Fatwas was pronounced by distinguished Muslim scholars to provide valuable guidance to lay the Muslims and even the judge. Fatwas means the opinions, and the Muslim scholars are expected to give their fatwas from the religious material and not from their personal opinions. Fatwas means the opinions of the muftis or the jurists learned in Islamic law on the reference made to them are the important as they have been the instrumental in the development and enrichment of the Muhammadan law. Means the fatwas means the opinions of these jurists are considered as the main source or the one of the source of the Muhammadan laws. Next is the legislation. Muhammadan law in India is not codified yet. Some aspects of the Muhammadan law have been regulated by the acts of legislature. The Shariat Act 1937, the Dissolution of the Muslim Marriages Act 1939, the Musalman Waqf Validating Acts 1913 and 1930, Muslim Women Protection Act 1986 are some instances of such legislations. Next is the Jurisdic Deductions or the principles of justice, equity and good science. Where there is a conflict of opinion and there is no specific rule to guide the court follows that opinion which is more in accordance with justice, equity and good conscience. Means some problems cannot be solved by the help of the opinions or by the fatwas. Then in such time the justice, equity and good conscience is used to solve such problems. So here the one of the important topic of the Muhammadan law is the sources of Muhammadan law is completed. So these are all are the sources of Muhammadan law. First is the Quran, then Sunnah means tradition, Ijma, then Qiyas means analogical deductions, then Ijtihad, then customs and usage, Fatwas means the opinion, legislation, and last is Jurisdic Deductions. Jurisdic Deductions means the principles of justice, equity and good conscience.